We'd like to formally begin with the opening remarks of the Chairman of PBA and the CEO of Bank of Punjab. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome Mr. Zafar Masood.
Ashwin Saab, Governor Saab, our fellow bankers, industry leaders, our international speakers, local speakers, and my favorite, of course, media. They have to be my favorite. At least for the next 2 days, we'll be relying on them to put a true narrative together in front of everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to First Pakistan Banking Summit. FM Saab, we owe this summit to you. You were the one who initiated it a year ago. I exactly remember it was January last year when you had first talked about it. I happened to be your senior vice chairman then. And when you talked about it, we had debated it and immediately bought into that idea. So really, this congregation today is owed to you. So thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for your presence also. I know you have a very tight schedule. You just arrived from Lahore last night and you're heading out this afternoon to Islamabad, but thank you for taking the time out. Finance Minister Sahab, ये जो conference है, it's unique in the sense that इसमें जो आपको 12 speakers नजर आ रहे हैं, international speakers, they have all come physically here. Nobody is joining, online. We did not allow that because we wanted more intimate and constructive discussion, not just on the stage here, but beyond the stage as well. To begin with, Finance Minister Sahab, Governor Sahab, you will be very pleased to know that banking sector has now become the largest taxpayer in this country. अच्छा तालियां बजा सकते हैं आप लोग, कोई परेशानी की बात नहीं है. पहले ये oil and gas sector होता था. We beaten oil and gas sector down, not because of the profitability levels, but primarily because the rate has gone over the top. Now we are paying 54% tax all in, and then the recent one, by the way, has added another couple of percent point, which is with windfall tax, and all put together, around 60% of the tax is coming from the banking sector now. And then we remain the largest tax collector on behalf of FBR as well. We expect to contribute beyond 700 billion rupees this year. We are the massive employer, 200,000 plus. And in terms of inclusivity also, we are better than the rest of the industries, thanks to State Bank of Pakistan and their Banking on Equality initiative. Almost 100%, 99.8% of the budgetary deficit support is also coming through from the banking sector. And 49% of the total assets of GDP are also banking assets, which is a reflection of how the banking sector is contributing towards the economy. In terms of global perspective, Finance Minister Sahab, the political landscape is changing, and the political landscape is changing very fast. Trade barriers are rising. Climate and DEI seem to be now archaic. And then there is a talk about alternate currencies being emerged. There is a visible, dominance of China as far as technology is concerned, as far as their control on supply chain is concerned. And all of that, to my mind, leads to the first economic world war of the sorts. And interestingly enough, like the other economic world wars which were fought in Europe, this seemed to be fought in Europe as well. And we being one of the largest exporters to Europe, or at least our exports to Europe, it could be a challenge. There will be a challenge on capital flows. There could be a challenge on the trade side, and I think the banks need to be prepared for it, for the changing world. Although the trends our technology trends have changed substantially, The name of the game will be lean and mean banking going into the future. Why are we here? We're here for mainly two objectives. One, to collaborate with the industry leaders, and we are integrating how to integrate the global banking landscape and collaborate with the international and local players together. But more so, Finance Minister साहब, जिस तरह मैं शुरू में कह रहा था, there are lots of misgivings and misconceptions about banking, and this will take the advantage of this forum to kind of try and address them and contextualize them. कुछ जो हैं वो शायद genuine हैं, but बहुत सारी जो हैं वो out of context हैं, and I think जब आपने भी इसका idea दिया था कॉन्फ्रेंस का, तो गालिबन आपके जहन में भी ये था कि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इनको contextualize किया जाए, इनको constructive way में आगे लिया जाए. मैं आपको ये बड़े यकीन से कह सकता हूँ that we'll be happy to take the criticism on our chin, but please, I would also expect the industry and the media and everybody to appreciate our position and what banking is contributing towards the economy. Some of the typical misgivings, मैंने कहा rather than beating around the bush, Finance Minister साहब, Governor साहब, कि जी वो नहीं इस तरह है, मैंने कहा जी let's talk about what are those issues, starting from shying away, जो हमें accuse किया जाता है, shying away from paying taxes because हमने ADR पे जाके stay order ले लिया था या windfall tax पे stay order ले लिया था, to now also criticize कि जी हमें शायद ज़्यादा तेजी से इस्लामिक बैंकिंग की कन्वर्जन की तरफ जाना चाहिए. मैं वो सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को कवर करने की कोशिश करूंगा. जहां पर हमारा कसूर है वो एक्सेप्ट भी करूंगा, मगर जहां हमने कुछ किया है बेहतर, मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूंगा कि बाकी उसको अप्रिशिएट भी करें. भाई लार्जेस्ट टैक्स पेयर हैं ऑफ द कंट्री, तो शाइंग अवे कैसे हो सकता है फ्रॉम टैक्स पेइंग? दिस इज टू बिगिन विद इज वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब, जो रियलिटी है वो ये है कि जिस तरह एडीआर टैक्स था, जो डिस्टोर्टिव टैक्स हैं, हम उसके खिलाफ हैं और हम उसको रेजिस्ट करते हैं. वी ऑलवेज सबमिट एंड रिक्वेस्ट दैट प्लीज गो फॉर द टैक्स ऑन आवर इनकम बट डू नॉट डिस्टोर्ट आवर बैलेंस शीट. And this is what our submission is. We have very successfully, with the help of our dear governor, we have been able to resolve the issue of ADR, but the expense of increasing our income tax by 5%. We have now have another unresolved issue to address, and that unresolved issue is with windfall tax. हमारा दिल बहुत जला हुआ है इस पे गवर्नर साहब, बिकॉज जिस तरह हमें ट्रीट किया गया उस पर वो बड़ा फेयर नहीं है, और मैं आपकी इंटरवेंशन चाहूँगा कि इस तरह की चीज़ जो है वो प्लीज़ आप ज़रा एफबीआर को भी कहें कि थोड़ा सा कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट की ज़रूरत है. नोटिस भेजने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें डिफ़ॉल्टर करार देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जब वो ड्यू ही नहीं है तो हम डिफ़ॉल्टर कैसे हो गए? और हमने एक दिन में 30 बिलियन रुपए जमा करके दिए हैं गवर्नमेंट को. उससे पहले 3 दिन में 72 बिलियन रुपए जमा करके दिए थे 31 दिसंबर से पहले. हमारी जो टैक्स ब्रैकेट है वो हाईएस्ट है in Pakistan, 1.86 times more than the industry, and in the region also we are by far the largest taxpayer. We are also, fighting for our survival in terms of getting rid of taxes like windfall tax, because there is no end to it. This is today on FX income, tomorrow on interest, and the day after maybe on something else, which is very unfair. एक और जो हम पे बड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म आता है कि जी हम सरकार को पैसे देते हैं और प्राइवेट सेक्टर को नहीं देते, थोड़ी इंट्रोस्पेक्शन की जरूरत है. गालिबन गवर्नमेंट नीड्स टू द इंडस्ट्री नीड्स टू step up as well and act in a more responsible manner of what needs to be done. The fact of the matter is, Finance Minister Saab, and I'll say this all the time, कि budgetary deficit financing बैंकों के लिए ना करना is a no choice situation. Just imagine if we pull the plug tomorrow for not funding the government, the crisis that would happen, trust me, there will be no financing available for the private sector either. And people don't realize that. 99.8% funding of other than the tax that I talked about coming from the banking industry, and that must be appreciated than anything else. मेरी या फेवरेट एनालॉजी है फाउंटेन हेड एंड पॉन्ड की. द लीकेजेस इन द फाउंटेन हेड लीड्स टू अ ड्राई पॉन्ड, एंड दैट लीड्स टू द ड्राई पॉन्ड बिकॉज द फाउंटेन हेड, both on the liquidity side and the credit side, banks have a deficit. If the documentation is there, they're not part of the taxation system, banks cannot help. And this needs to be appreciated. The industry need to step up and get themselves documented. 52% of our sectors are currently, unfortunately, not part of the formal documentation. Cashless economy and financial inclusion. Finance Minister साहब, हम पे इस पे भी बड़ा इल्जाम लगता है that on the cashless economy and financial inclusion, perhaps we are not doing enough. I think again, to some extent fair, but to a very large extent very unfair acquisition. There is substantial improvement. We've seen that 9 times in last 5 years, 9 times increase in the bank accounts. We've seen substantial increase in the women participation, but still there is a long way to go. Same goes for mobile banking, e-commerce, internet banking, all are on the up, but that's not enough. There is still a long way to go for documenting the economy and the currency in circulation, which has reduced from 39 to 35%, but that needs to be further subsided. The POS machines, for example, we are behind in comparison to the region, which is a major catalyst in terms of promoting documentation. However, there are certain complications that Finance Minister, you are very well aware of, but मैं उसको reiterate कर रहा हूँ, is complex and high taxation piece, no availability of proxy data, women participation still low, and the education about financial education is also something that we need to work on. Then we have been criticized that we don't support SME in agriculture, it's kind of connected to the previous point, which is lending to the government, the point before the previous one. Both the sectors have huge contribution to the economy, but their participation in the banking sector is minuscule. The three sectors, the 52% of the three sectors have merely 13% of the total deposits, Minister Saab. Now that reflects, the contribution to the tax है, वो तो minuscule है. So therefore, there need to be something to be done about this, and the starting point is they need to get themselves documented. They need to move away from the informal sector. Again, I will accept the fact that perhaps banks need to make things easier for them to come through, but then they also need to make an effort, and we all have to come somewhere in the middle and take this forward as a larger interest of the country. The deficit for the banks is that we deal in documents, banking 101, we don't deal in goods. So therefore, we will be dependent on documentation, and we expect these sectors to document themselves. On economic revival, हम पे ये भी बड़ा इल्जाम लगता है कि हम शायद गवर्नमेंट की हम economic revival की तरफ काम नहीं कर रहे, सिर्फ deficit financing पे काम कर रहे हैं. So just other than the contribution on the fiscal side, both taxation and non-taxation and debt side, the recent success story, PBA, your legacy, Finance Minister Saab, ये जो आज summit भी है, this is your legacy, has been rebranded. There is more better collaboration that is quite obvious and witnessed by everybody and acknowledged by everyone. The recent success stories, starting from PIA, which is the largest restructuring that has been done, although we are not very happy about certain terms of that, it could have been managed better, and I'm sure, Finance Minister Saab, you empathize with us. We have been able to resolve the ADR issue and the MDR issue. Thank you, Governor Saab, and your team for getting that resolved. Long pending issue. And then recently, Finance Minister Saab, we are working with the FBR on the data collaboration. ये जो नया अभी law आया है, इसमें किस तरह data पे काम हो सकता है? We believe that जितना बड़ा stakeholder FBR उसका है, उतने ही बड़े stakeholder हम भी हैं. So we are working very closely with them to figure out how to make it more robust. The collaboration with the private, again, another legacy of Finance Minister is that when he came here, he asked us that forget about the fiscal support coming through in terms of interest, or for that matter in terms of first loss guarantee, and work on your own. So we are developing this ecosystem of priority sector financing, which I briefly touch upon later on, and PBA is spearheading that. Governor Saab is supporting it fully on this one, and Finance Minister साहब, you are spearheading tech too. मेरी इस मौके पे गुजारिश ही होगी that we are now working towards resolution of circular debt issue. बड़ी मेरी मुद्दबाना गुजारिश ये है फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब, उसको हमें इंसेंटिवाइज करना है, बैंक्स को फोर्स नहीं करना सर, बिकॉज हमें ये फीलिंग आती है कि हम पे ये इम्पोज किया जाता है, ये फोर्स किया जाता है. उसको ज़रा हमारी गुजारिश होगी कि आपकी इंटरवेंशन की हमें ज़रूरत पड़ेगी कि वो इंसेंटिवाइज हो, वो फोर्स ना हो. नाउ गवर्नर साहब, जो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है वो इस्लामिक बैंकिंग से रिलेटेड है, एंड मेरे ख्याल से ये भी बड़ा अनजस्ट है कहना कि हम स्लो है कन्वर्जन. बिल्कुल स्लो नहीं है. द इंटायर इंडस्ट्री इज फुली कमिटेड टू दिस. 2027 is our deadline. We are moving in that direction. However, there are 3 or 4 major things which needed to be boxed in. And आपकी और गवर्नर साहब की प्रेजेंस का मैं एडवांटेज लेते हुए वो आपको गोशगुजार भी करना चाह रहा हूँ. उसमें जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट है वो ये कि जो गवर्नमेंट की अपनी बोरोइंग है और जो फ्यूचर की बोरोइंग है उसके लिए एक एसेट लाइट सकूक स्ट्रक्चर इज नेसेसरी. And we will hear from our guest over the next 2 days of how this has been done elsewhere in the world, and then they will be able to assist us how we can do it in Pakistan. But this is the major aspect which is kind of need to be boxed in before we talk about conversion. We also need to figure out how the correspondent banking arrangements will work. We need to figure out that with the international DFIs, चाहे वो क्लाइमेट साइड पे हो या ट्रेड साइड पे हो, आपको पता है IFC ने पैसे दिए हुए हैं, ADB ने किया हुआ है, AFD ने किया हुआ है. All those have to be figured out, that they need to be carved out, or we have to let go of them. That need to be taken care of as well. The last point on the Islamic side is the fact that the branches of the foreign banks and the banks which are majority owned by the foreign entities, which are not in Sharia compliant business, how to treat with them as well. But this is a major aspect, and these are the 3 major big constituencies that we need to address. फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब, ये जो अगली वाली ये आपकी लेगेसी है, ये आपने इनिशिएटिव लिया था ऑफ सेटिंग अप द इकोसिस्टम. अब इस पे भी हम पे बड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म ये आता है, बल्कि हमारे अपनी रेगुलेटर के पास से आता है कि जिसको तेज करे, जल्दी करे. तेज और जल्दी नहीं हो सकता. 70 साल लगे हैं इस इकोसिस्टम को यहाँ पहुँचने में, यहाँ से आगे ले जाने में 5, 7, 8 साल लगेंगे. सो वी ऑल हैव टू बी पेशेंट एंड ऑल हैव टू बी वर्किंग टुगेदर इन टेंडम, और एक दूसरों को क्रिटिसाइज ना करें, साथ काम करें इस पे, क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट है दैट वी हैव टू डेवलप दिस इकोसिस्टम व्हिच हैज बीन लैकिंग फॉर द लास्ट 70 years in this country. SME index, perception index has already been established, Finance Minister Sahab. Within this year it will be launched, which will help in lending to the SME sector. We are trying to collaborate with the NCGCL so that the blended risk could be taken care of and taken it forward. SME definition has to be revised, and that's something which is lying with the cabinet. We need your assistance in getting it sorted out. On the agriculture side, EWR, मुझे पता है फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब ये आपके दिल के बड़ा करीब है. इसके अंदर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पंजाब, Pakistan Agriculture Coalition and Pakistan Banks Association are very closely working to see how we can revive this, and you will hear a very good news inshallah in the next couple of months on this front. On the Islamic product side, I would urge our Islamic banking experts here to please guide us how we can come out with the products on the agriculture side to ramp up the efforts there by the conventional side as well. Digital, we're talking about PE fund, we're talking about data exchange, by the way, which is my favorite. अगर ये data exchange ठीक हो गया, गवर्नर साहब, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर साहब, तो ट्रस्ट मी इसमें एकदम से बहुत बूस्ट नजर आएगा आपको, क्योंकि आज प्रॉक्सी डेटा हमें अवेलेबल नहीं है. एंड देन हाउसिंग के अंदर आई मस्ट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन अप्रिशिएट दैट आवर फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर वाज वन स्टेप अहेड ऑफ अस. He called me and said that he's meeting up with the Chief Justice and he wants to take up the matter of foreclosure law and also FIRA for microfinance sector, and he did. So thank you very much, Finance Minister, for doing this. Other than these ecosystem development, we are working on certain products. We are working on these efforts, Finance Minister, with the federal government. Taxonomy, I know another subject which is very close to your heart. We've already given our feedback to the central bank and taking it forward. This is the most important element for tapping into the climate financing locally and internationally. So we are very much working with State Bank of Pakistan in taking it forward. Second one is the fan financing, efficient fan financing, working with Ministry of Power on this. I will not get into the details of these elements, but just to highlight and share them with you. The other one is solarization of tube well. You're aware of it, working with your ministry and Prime Minister's office, and EV financing with Ministry of Industries. What do we expect from the industry? We expect from the industry, खुदा के लिए अपने आप को डॉक्यूमेंट करें. प्लीज मेरी गुजारिश है, हमें ना क्रिटिसाइज करें कि बैंक फाइनेंस नहीं करता. पहले आप खुद तो डॉक्यूमेंट करें, फिर हमारे पास आए और हमें कहें जी हम डॉक्यूमेंट हो चुके हैं, आप अब हमें फाइनेंस करें. तो द क्रिटिसिज्म इज जेन्युइन, बट उसके बगैर क्रिटिसाइज करना इज स्लाइटली अनफेयर. सो प्लीज गेट योरसेल्फ डॉक्यूमेंटेड. नंबर 2, ट्रीट बैंक्स एज योर पार्टनर्स नॉट एडवर्सरीज. वो हर चीज पे ये होता है कि जी बैंक्स जो हैं वो बड़े खराब हैं, वो ये नहीं करते, वो नहीं करते. सर थोड़ी सी अपनी भी इंट्रोस्पेक्शन देख लें और ये देख लें कि क्या आप हमें भी तो कुछ चीज बेहतर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमें भी, हम आज ये इस फोरम पे खड़े हुए हैं आपकी बात सुनने के लिए कि हमें क्या चीज बेहतर करनी है. आप भी जरा प्लीज ये देखिए कि आपने क्या चीज बेहतर करनी है, सो दैट वी वर्क इन कोलैबोरेशन एंड इन पार्टनरशिप. एंड प्लीज रिकग्नाइज द एफर्ट्स ऑफ द बैंकिंग सेक्टर टुवर्ड्स द इकोनॉमी, जो मैंने आपसे भी शेयर किया, and towards providing you the state-of-the-art service. गवर्नर साहब and finance minister साहब, आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह पता है, बट मैं ये for the benefit of everybody I'm just repeating and reiterating it. Banks are the trustees of the depositors and the shareholders, more so to the depositors than the shareholders, and perhaps their employees too. And this one sector is probably the favorite sector of the foreign investors other than oil and gas. And in this context, we have certain submissions for you, Finance Minister Sahab. Number 1, the government schemes, whether these are restructuring or financing, these must be incentivized and not forced, please. So this is the first submission. The second submission, and most importantly, we need to, please, sir, with your offices, ask FBR to work with us as our partner, as part of the team, and not in a hostile manner as they did in the windfall tax. The distortive tax regime must go, sir. This cannot go on like this. The high-handedness must finish, sir. My submission, very humble submission to you is, sir. I would also like to submit, sir, that, we should not be treated as a scapegoat, a tool for revenue target achieving, but the policy in banking should promote and encourage investment. But the recent episode of windfall tax, I'll just say it again because हमारा दिल बहुत जला हुआ है कि उसमें ज़रा थोड़ा सा बेहतर तरीके से मैनेज हो सकता था. इस तरह फोर्स करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, सर. We were already ready and we did that and we delivered it. With that, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your coming. Looking forward to hearing from you.